Hi guys, John with Bricanio BQ here. Today we're doing a short and sweet video, how to make au jus for your prime rib. We also have the option of adding red chili to that au jus. That recipe is in the description below, and all the ingredients I use for this au jus, there's only a few, are also available on the full recipe, which is linked to on my website in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, I've got my prime rib in the smoker. It's been in for right around 2 hours now. Internal temperature in the very middle is about 65 degrees. The outside's getting pretty warm. Not much more smoke flavor is going to penetrate at this point. So it's time to get my drip tray with my broth in it prepared so that once I kick that temperature up, all the drippings come down into my au jus sauce, my broth, whatever you want to call it. And what I've used is 1 teaspoon of this wet bouillon base here. This is from Sam's Club. I've used 2 teaspoons of this Korean soup stock. It's a beef stock powder called Dasida. You can probably get it at a lot of like international type stores. It's got a really good flavor, a little bit of sweet, a little bit of tangy. And I've used 2 tubes of this Lono Life grass-fed beef bone broth. And I've had this, it's at just under boiling, everything is dissolved. So now I can take it off the heat and pour it into my tray here. And this will I'm going to go put this on the Traeger. This will do 2 things. It'll make the heat more indirect as I kick the temperature up. It'll catch all the drippings that are coming down. And then later on I can use this for the dipping sauce when we eat our prime rib. And it really is just that easy. But you might be wondering, what happened to the red chili? Well, I won't put the red chili in until just before I serve after everything is completely cooked. Because if I cook the red chili in the smoker, it's going to change the flavor, it's going to lose some heat, and I don't want that. Also, you can use this drip tray to put underneath your prime rib in your smoker, just as is shown in this video. That'll help keep your drip tray from drying out and catch all those delicious juices coming off your prime rib. That'll do it for this video. Thanks for joining us, and have a great day.